Deliciously healthy broccoli soup. This low-fat recipe makes a silky, smooth scrumptious soup that has a creamy consistency without any added cream. Broccoli is a low-calorie source of fiber and it's also rich in many essential vitamins and minerals. A cup of cooked broccoli has just as much vitamin C as an orange, and it's also a good source of B vitamins, beta-carotene, iron, magnesium, potassium, and zinc. Let's start with our ingredients. 5 tablespoons butter, divided. 1 onion, chopped. 1 stalk celery, chopped. 3 cups chicken broth. 8 cups broccoli florets. 3 tablespoons all-purpose flour. 2 cups milk. Ground black pepper to taste. 8 garlic cloves. Step 1. Melt 2 tablespoons butter in medium-sized stock pot, and sauté onion and celery until tender. Add broccoli and broth, cover and simmer for 10 minutes. Step 2. Pour the soup into a blender, filling the pitcher no more than halfway full. Hold down the lid of the blender with a folded kitchen towel, and carefully start the blender, using a few quick pulses to get the soup moving before leaving it onto puree. Puree in batches until smooth and pour into a clean pot. Alternately, you can use a stick blender and puree the soup right in the cooking pot. Step 3. In small saucepan, over medium heat melt 3 tablespoons butter, stir in flour and add milk. Stir until thick and bubbly, and add to soup. Season with pepper and serve. Step 4. Enjoy your dinner recipe with a healthy broccoli soup. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.